Is there any final thoughts you'd like to share for our viewers on owning your own business and some of those responsibilities?
No, I think if owning a business is not always fun, but if you have passion and you stick to your idea, your vision, and have a good game plan, go for it. Take the risk, try it. But you need to have the passion in your work. It's not a 8 to 5 job. You're gonna have to put 14, 15, 16 hours and really dedicate your life. And the first couple of years you might not have a work-life balance. Like a lot of people talk about work life. You own your business, you always need, it's almost a 24-hour business. You always need, even if you're on vacation, you need to answer your phone calls, check your emails, because things are not just happening. So but if you're passionate and you like it, it's going to be a good fit for you. If you don't feel ready and you want to have that work-life balance, then probably owning your business is not the right thing for you.